Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naina and I hope you all are doing well. Now today's video is going to be about beginner's makeup kit. So this is a highly requested video on my channel because I get a lot of questions from the girls asking, which is the best drugstore foundation, which is the best mascara, or which is the best eyeshadow palette, and many more questions like this. So I thought of making a video where I'm going to show you guys all the best drugstore products which you can include in your makeup kit if you're a beginner, starting from a good moisturizer to the highlighter. So I thought of showing you guys all the products that you need in a makeup kit as a beginner. So the product that I'm gonna show it to you guys in this video ranges between 300 to 1000. These are the best quality products and perfect to include in your makeup kit. And I'm also gonna be using all the products to create the makeup look that I'm wearing currently. It's a beautiful dewy makeup look. It's all pinky and dewy, which I really love. So yeah, I'm also going to be showing you guys this makeup look, and also the link of all the products are going to be mentioned in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out. And without any more talking, let's just quickly get started with the video. So I've got my hair at the back, and now I'm quickly going to start with the video by showing you all the beautiful products that I've got for you. So alright, in order to start with the makeup, you always need to prep your skin, and for that you always need a good moisturizer. So for all my girls who are looking forward to invest in a good drugstore moisturizer, I have this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer with me for you guys. Beautiful drugstore moisturizer. It's in the gel form, so it's non-sticky, non-creasy, and it leaves a beautiful glow on your face. So I always make sure to apply a good moisturizer on my face before the makeup, because this really helps my makeup to stay for long. And it's always important and good to prep your skin before the makeup. As you can see, it's in the gel form, so I'm gonna take pea-size amount and I'm just gonna dot it all over my face and then just rub it using my fingers. It's a beautiful moisturizer. As you can see, this beautiful glow that it has given me. So once we are done with applying moisturizer, the next step is to prep your skin, and for that you need a good primer. So basically primers are used to reduce the appearance of any pores if you have, and also it gives you a smooth surface to start with your makeup. So here I'm gonna use this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. It's a beautiful primer. This helps in smoothing your face, and it helps you to reduce the appearance of your pores. So it's a beautiful primer. And yeah, I'm just gonna take a very small amount at the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna take this between my fingers and then just rub it onto my cheeks or to my nose, my forehead, and a little bit on my chin, wherever I've got the pore issues. I'm just gonna use this primer there. Now once we are done with applying our primer, now the next step is to use a foundation. And for the foundation, hands down, this is the best foundation, and you'll see many girls speaking about it. So I have with me Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the foundation. It's a beautiful foundation. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So this foundation only retails for about like 500 rupees, and you get this much of amount. It's a beautiful foundation. It has got medium coverage, but of course if you want to build it, you can always take some more amount and apply it on your face. It sits beautifully on my skin, and yeah, I just totally love using this foundation. I guess I have the older version because the new one comes with the pump, though I have this from like past almost 1 year, I don't even remember. But yeah, this is the foundation. Again, I'm gonna take at the back of my hand. Oops, this is what the problem is without the pump, but I'm sure that new foundation comes with the pumps, like their new packaging. So yeah, I have taken some amount at the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender and then just dot it all over my face using this beauty blender. If you want, you can use your fingers, they works great, or if you want, you can also use the foundation brush. It's just that I feel comfortable with a blender. Totally fine if you want to use your fingers. I in fact used to do the same.
And don't forget to take some foundation onto your neck, and then using the same beauty blender, I'm going to blend it in all really nicely. So always make sure that whenever you're blending a foundation, just make sure you do it for like a good period of time, because this really helps you to have a smooth, flawless base. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Don't forget to take a little bit onto your ears, and never ever forget your neck, like never.
So I'm done with applying my foundation, and as you guys can see, it looks so beautiful on the skin. And as you can see, this has really covered all the blemish, and I think I'm fine with this much of coverage. So I'm not going to use any more foundation, but I really have to hide those dark circles under my eyes, and for that I'm going to go ahead and use the concealer. Now for the concealer, the product that I have for you is LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. Focus. Okay, focus. So this is how the packaging looks. It's in the shade Pure Beige. So it comes with a brush applicator, as you can see. And yeah, all you have to do is just, you know, apply it wherever you have got any acne spots or any blemish mark. And if you've got dark circle issues, then apply it under your eyes like this. And yeah, I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. So yeah, I'm done with applying the concealer, and now I'm just gonna blend it in all really nicely. Of course, you can use your fingers if you want, but just try and make sure that you are using your ring finger around your eye area, or else you can also use a brush or your beauty blender. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Nykaa small stippling brush and then just blend it in using this. So we are done with our base, and for the next step I'm going to go ahead and mattify my entire base, and for that I'm going to use a compact powder, and the option that I have for you girls is Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. This is how the packaging look. It's a beautiful compact powder, you girls. It is so inexpensive for the price. Like, it retails for about 200 or 250, I'm not sure. It comes with an like the sponge. As you can see, I've already used a lot of product because I really love using this product and I love to carry it around. So yeah, I'm gonna use this compact powder to mattify my entire base, and I am in the shade light beige. So using my powder brush, I'm just gonna mattify my entire base. So we are done with our base, and now for the next step we're gonna move to our eyes and eyebrows. And for the eyebrows, I've got two options for you girls. So one is from the brand NYX. It's actually a brow gel. This is how the packaging looks. So it's good for the girls who doesn't know how to do their brows and they don't want to put a lot of time in doing it. So it's good. It comes with an applicator like this. So all you gotta do is just brush your brows and you're done. So this is one option that I have for you girls. Or the other option, that if you really want to invest in a good eyebrow pencil, then the other option that I have for you is Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. This is how the packaging looks, but it is not focusing. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks. So it has got this pencil side, which you can use to do your brows, and it also comes with an applicator like this. So once you are done with doing your brows, then you can brush it using the spoolie, and this will help you to keep all your hair in one place. So both of these options are good. So it's just that you'll have to figure out which option would you like to invest in. And I think for the look today, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Etude brow pencil. So this is what I'm gonna use. It is not focusing. Yes.
I'm just gonna use it to fill in all the gaps, and then using a spoolie, I'm gonna brush it all in.
So yeah, we are done with doing our brows, and now let's move to the eyes. And for the eyes, the palette that I have for you girls is Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. So this is how the packaging looks. Avoid all these dirtiness, but yeah, this is how the packaging looks. It has got all these beautiful neutral colors, as you guys can see, which is perfect for any beginner who's looking forward to own a good eyeshadow palette. It has got all these beautiful matte shades, these shimmer shades, which is perfect to create, you know, a simple eye look as well as the party eye look. So the eye look that I'm gonna create using this eyeshadow palette is gonna be a lot more pinkier, because since I'm wearing this beautiful pink top. So yeah, so I'll first take this shade and use it as a transition shade, remove the excess, and then I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelids. Always make sure that you hold your eyeshadow brush from the bag, and always take about like 30-40 seconds to blend your eyeshadow, because this way it will have no harsh lines. And if you really want sharp edges, you can always use that tape hack. So once I've applied this color, then I'm gonna move to the next step, and I'm gonna take this beautiful color onto a small blending brush, and I'm just gonna put it right at the outer corner of my eyes. And then I'm gonna take it inwards between my crease line and my upper eyelids. This eyeshadow palette is so good. It has got great pigmentation. As you can see, the color payoff is really good. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a lot of time to blend my eyeshadow, because I really don't want any creases or any harsh lines. So yeah, that's done. Now moving on to the next step, I'm gonna do a little bit trick here. I'm actually gonna create a cut crease look. For this, I'm gonna take my concealer, take it onto the brush, and then just put it onto my upper eyelids like this. Then taking this white color from the palette, I'm just gonna mattify my entire concealer. So I'm gonna pat it right there. Now once that is done, then I'm gonna take this color and put it right in the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm gonna do it using my ring finger. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this shimmery shade and put it right at the center of my eyes. And then again using a smudging brush, I'm gonna rub it between my crease line and my upper eyelids. And then again using this color, I'm also gonna put it into my lower lash line. So we're done with one eye, and now I'm just gonna do my other eye off camera, so see you in a bit. So we're done with both the eyes, and for the next step I'm gonna go ahead and apply an eyeliner. I love using an eyeliner. So the one eyeliner that I swear by, and I always make sure that I have this in my makeup kit, is Maybelline Hyper Glossy eyeliner. I've always been Maybelline fan. Oh god, please focus. Yeah, so I've always been Maybelline fan, and I love using Maybelline eyeliners. I think they are the best. It's a waterproof eyeliner and it retails for about like 300 or something. So I'm just gonna use it and make a winged eyeliner. So we are done with eyeliner and it looks beautiful as hell, but I don't know, I feel the requirement to clean the edges a little bit, so I'm gonna take a tissue and some micellar water and do that. So yeah, we are done, and now I'm sure that there must be many girls who loves applying kajal. I'm not one of those girls. I barely apply kajal, so I'm gonna skip on that step, but I've still got few options for the girls who loves applying kajal. Now the first option that I have is Miss Claire Gel Kajal. This is how the packaging looks. So this is one option, and the other option that I have is from K Beauty. It's actually their gel kajal, but they do have a kajal like with a roll-on thing, which you can go ahead. I bought this gel kajal. I don't have that one, but K Beauty's kajal are beautiful, so that's why I wanted to recommend that one. I'm gonna put the picture of the K Beauty kajal here so you can check that out. So these are the two kajal options that I have for you girls. So if you're a kajal lover, then you can go ahead and add that in your kit. I am not, like, I have it in my kit, but I barely use it, so I'm gonna skip it today. But I do need to add some life to my lashes, and for that I'm again gonna go ahead and use a product from Maybelline. Maybelline के best होते हैं products. What do I do? So I'm gonna go ahead and use Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So this is how the packaging looks. It's a beautiful mascara. In fact, not just this one. Maybelline का कोई भी mascara ले लो, they all are good. So yeah, I'm just gonna use it and put a lot of it on my eyelashes. You'll see that how instantly it changes the entire eye game. Can you girls see the difference? Like it's in front of you. So now we are almost done with our eyes, and for the next step we're gonna go ahead and put some falsies. Now I know this is just an additional step, so it's not really important for you to put falsies every time, but in case if you still want to add any eyelashes in your makeup kit, then the option that I have for you is Nykaa Lash Talk. So this is how the packaging looks. This one is in major length, so it basically helps in giving length to your eyelashes. They have got a lot of variants for volume and for like drama. I don't know, there are many, so you can go ahead and choose. They all retail for ₹199, but the best part about getting these lashes is that it also has its own eyelash glue. So that's something great. So it comes with an eyelash glue like this. So yeah, it's kind of a steal deal for those who doesn't want to invest much on the eyelashes. So I'm gonna be putting these falsies off camera. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. So I'm back after putting falsies, and there's one thing that I want to let you guys know. It's not worth it. It's like white in color. Like this is the eyelash glue that I use to put Nykaa falsies, but it's not at all good. It has got a very little bit amount, and second, it's white in color, so it kind of appears when you apply the eyelashes. So I would not recommend you to go ahead to solely depend on this particular eyelash glue. You can go ahead and buy Miss Claire eyelash in black color, but just do not solely depend on this particular eyelash glue. I'm not at all satisfied. However, the lashes are beautiful. So we are done with our base and we are done with our eyes, and now the next step is to contour our face, and for that the product that I have is from Sugar. So this is their Sugar Mini Contour Palette. This is how it looks. It's in the shade Talk Topper. So I'm going to be using this to contour my face. This only retails for about like $340 or $400, something in between. So yeah, I'm going to be using this shade to contour my face.
to apply it on my cheekbones, to apply it on my jawline, a little bit on my hairline, and will also contour my nose.
So we are done with contouring, and the next step is to apply a blush. And for the blush, the next option that I have is again from Maybelline. It's their Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is in the shade Rose. It's beautiful pink color blush. And you guys know how much I love this brush. I use this blush in most of my makeup looks.
So I'm going to be using this blush to put some color onto my cheeks. It has got some good pigmentation, you guys.
So yeah, we are done. And now for the second last step, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some highlighter. And I've got two options for you girls. So the first option is the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminating Highlighter. This is in the beautiful champagne color. So this is one option that you can go ahead. And the other highlighter that I have is from the brand K Beauty. So this is how the packaging looks. It's their illuminating highlighter in the shade Rosy Dew. I'm just gonna show it to you guys. It's a beautiful pink color highlighter, and I really love both of these highlighters. They both are great. For today's look, I'm gonna go ahead and use K Beauty illuminating highlighter, since you know I love the pink feel of it, and this is my current obsession. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this.
Oh my god, can you guys see? It's a beautiful highlighter. OMG. And I'm just gonna apply it a little bit on my nose, on my cupid bow, a little bit on my chin.
So we are done with applying our highlighter, and you can see it's such a beautiful highlighter. I am totally obsessed with this one, and it's a must buy. And now moving on to the last step, which is to apply a lipstick. You can go ahead and buy any lipstick. There are tons of drugstore lipsticks which are so good. My personal favorites are from the brand Nykaa, Maybelline and K Beauty. And today I'm gonna be using this beautiful K Beauty lipstick. This is in the shade Billboard. It's kind of a very nude color which I really love. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this. Now just to give it a more glam look, I'm also gonna go ahead and apply a lip gloss. The one that I have is from the brand Nykaa. So it's Nykaa Strobe It Up. It's kind of a beautiful pink gloss. It's in the shade Sweet Angel. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this to apply. And voila, so this is the final makeup look that I've created using all the beautiful drugstore products, and I really love it. I love how dewy, glossy it looks. I'm really loving that pink feel to it. So yeah, this is the final look. So you guys, that's it for the video. These are the products that any beginner needs in their makeup kit. These are best of the drugstore products. All these products are beautiful if you're looking forward to build your makeup skills. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Do not forget to comment below and tell me which one was your favorite product in this video. And also do not forget to hit the subscribe button, bell notification button, so that every time I post a video you get notified. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.